Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're glad to have you here, and to all of you, our subscribers that's always there, thank you for supporting us and thank you for coming back. For today's video, I'll show you how to make this fish balloon. Look at that, ain't that cute? So if you're interested to know how to make this, please stick around and I'll show you how. All the materials that we use here will be 260Q and this latex balloon. You can use either 10, 11, or 12, and this is 10 inches. So we have our 260 balloon. You stretch this and we'll inflate using our inflator. So if you want to know where to get this inflator, this is very nice. Please visit our Amazon storefront and we'll put the link in the description below. Okay, you can also use the hand pump, but today we'll do this one. Squeeze it, put a little to the tip. So I'm gonna fold it like this. We make a pinch and twist. Pinch and twist again. You twist. Then you pinch this and then twist. Once you're done with this, make another one, pinch and twist. And then twist this again. There you go. So I want to go like this, pinch and twist. Just like that. Okay. So this one, I'll leave it like that. I'll grab another 260 balloon. Fold, pinch and twist. Put this inside. I'll do it twice. Okay. I'll make another one. Fold, pinch and twist. Put it through. And then I'll put it right here. Once I'm done with that, fold this here. Okay, just like that. Pinch and twist. Attach this. Then I'll actually cut this off. And then tie this together. And I'll cut the excess. I like to shape it like this. Okay. And I'll make another one like this. This is actually the fin. Grab another 260 balloon. You'll do this way. Pinch and then twist. Okay. And then shape it like that. It'll be the same like this one. But this time I'll make it a little bigger. Okay. pinch and then twist. Then cut this, release the air. And then just tie this together. And we'll attach this here. Before I do that, I'll shape it like this. Okay, and I'll attach this here. Just like that. So now we need our latex balloon. We'll inflate this. Then we'll put it right in here. The tail, just tie it. So I have 260Q white. Push this in. Then you twist. Or cut about right here. And then push a little. So you'll see the dimple. Just like that. I'll make another one. Just like that. And then we need this one. I got this one at the Dollar Tree store because I can't find the googly eyes, so this will do. So I'll stick this here just like that, right on the center. So this time I'm gonna use my balloon glue dots. Stick one on or two at the back. And I'll stick this right in front. Just like that. Alright, and it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And please subscribe to our channel. Once again, this is FemBamNY. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.